The fourth Luso Asian Community Conference, held at the Dili Convention Center in Timor-Leste, marked a historic moment with the signing of the Dili Declaration. This sets the foundation for the creation of the Association of the Portuguese Community in Asia, expected to launch in 2025. The APCA aims to protect and promote the cultural heritage of Luso Asian communities through dialogue, cooperation, and mutual respect. Its core mission focuses on preserving identity and ensuring cultural survival. Key goals include building a knowledge repository, support research, strengthening community institution ties, and hosting international conference. The declaration was signed by representatives from 6 countries and historic communities, with the strong backing of Timor-Leste's Prime Minister, Kairala Xanana Guzmão. Osória Marques, Florencio Miranda Ximenes, TATOLI.